There we go, guys. That was my first day out with the Titan XL5 HD. What do I think about the DJI system? The view in the goggles were great. I can't deny the fact that the digital looked pretty awesome. I was getting, I don't know if you can see, I'm going to go ahead and pan this around. This is a soccer field that I was flying at, and it really is not huge. And for some reason, I didn't seem to get the distance that I thought I would. I thought I could probably at least go to the back of the soccer field. And I started breaking up, which kind of disappointed me. If I can hang this thing straight. I started breaking up, which that kind of really disappointed me quite a bit. And about halfway across the field, I had some spots where I was really low to the ground, and the latency of that, I kind of froze. It had a couple of freeze frames on it, and that about put me in the dirt twice, because I was really super low to the ground. I was trying to get as low as I could with these honey clover flowers that's all over. Just wanted to get down really low with it and see what the quad would do. And the latency of the DJI goggles in the air unit, it spazzed out on me a couple of times when I was really close to the ground, which that didn't impress me one bit. I've never had that issue with analog. So my first time flying right at the moment, the quad, like I said, the iFlight Titan the iFlight Titan XL5 HD with the air unit in it. It responded. It handled really nice. It's a very heavy quad, but I did like the way it flew. It's going to take a little getting used to, but you know, it is 6S, and most of my things that I fly is 4S. But really kind of I was pleased with the DJI goggles, but the times that it froze on me, I was really unhappy. I was very close to the ground, and I could have ate the brand new, I mean, it's got a brand new Hero 7 on it now. First time it's been in the air too. And the last thing I wanted to do was watch a lot of dollars go tumbling across the ground due to the goggles spazzing out, or the video spazzing out. I don't know if I'm not sure if anybody else has that problem and what to do about it. It just, you know, like I said, it's brand new to me. So, you know, there's might be some tweakings in the settings I can do to fix everything. I'm not sure. I'll have to do a little bit more research on it. Probably read up on my manuals like I should have done to start with. But I just want to get out and fly, and this is the last opportunity before I finally get to go back to work tomorrow. So I'm out here by myself, and today I'm just using the cane, which helps me out quite a bit. But I wanted to get this thing in the air. I've had it for the drone I've had, or the quad, you know. I've had the quad for over almost 2 weeks. The goggles just came in on Friday. I just opened them up today, actually, and thought I'd put them to use and bring it out here to the soccer field where it was wide open. There weren't nobody around, no power wires, and just see what everything was all about. And that's where I'm at, man. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button for sure, and you know, mash that like button. If you got any comments on this quad or these goggles, if you had this issue, drop me a line in there, you know, in the comments, and let me know if you had them and what you did to correct them. Like I said, this is my first time, my very first flight with a DJI air unit or goggles. So if I had to score it right now, I would put my DJI experience at about a 6 to a 7. I wasn't 100% stoked with it. I mean, at very short distance, it was awesome. Get more than a few hundred feet away, and I had some problems, and I really wasn't happy with that. So I'll have to see if there's something in the settings of the drone or the quad, the air unit, see if there's something in the settings of the goggles, I guess. But anyhow, thanks for tuning in to Dogs FPV. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, leave your comments below. Till next time, peace out. Happy flying, guys.